Hello, my name is Lindgren. I'm a certified yoga and mindfulness teacher. I'll be sharing some tools from the Mindfulness-Based Stress Reduction course. And you can think of this course as a mindful buffet with opportunities to sample different practices and reflect on them, also discuss them in smaller and large groups. The course includes a variety of meditation practices and movement practices, and it's important to do the movement practices to your level of comfort. That awareness is part of our practice together. So MBSR is a scientifically researched method for reducing physical and psychological suffering while building resilience, balance, and peace of mind. Some of the things we will explore are mindful eating, something called body scan, meditation, and awareness of breathing. Also an opportunity to notice unpleasant things throughout the day and some pleasant things throughout the day, and then talking about them a little bit. We'll get a chance to do a walking meditation and some different perception activities. We'll talk about the stress response. We'll also talk about responding versus reacting. And if there's interest, we'll dig into how to make seated meditation a little bit more comfortable. So we'll look at habits, some responses that are nourishing and some that are not so nourishing. We'll also get to do a metta practice. Some call it a loving kindness practice. So by the end of the course, you'll have a sense of these different options and which you may like to continue for now, and also some in reserve for maybe considering in the future. One of the things I really appreciate about doing this course is that we get to set guidelines and how we will be with each other, and including things like confidentiality. And that does support a level of trust and ease so that we get to really learn from each other and learn with each other. So thank you very much for your interest, and I look forward to seeing you in class.